Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mark Straight to the Philippines. Short, sweet video today on why I recommend Pinalove again. In my previous video, I said I could no longer recommend it because of some bad changes they had made. Basically, they made everyone a popular member to a point where you couldn't even message anybody because almost everyone was popular according to their algorithm. And I said it ruined the site and I wouldn't recommend it anymore. I said if it ever changed that I would recommend it again in the future. And they have changed it. They've updated it. And now they got rid of the popular feature. So not only is that a win in the fact that you can message people again, before it was almost impossible to find someone, but now you can even message, quote, the popular people because they just got rid of it. So it doesn't really matter how attractive she is or how many messages she gets. You can still send her a message. Now, she might not see it or reply, but it is there. So that's really cool. It's a really good change. Making this, again, one of the best websites to meet a girl on overseas for at least casual dating or more. Just know, like, if you want serious marriage and everything, that the younger girl, you never know. It's hit and miss. I still recommend Christian Filipina and others too. But before I couldn't recommend the site at all, and now I can. So I wanted to give you an update on that.